Cartoons.
The roar of thunder.
Welcome to the air element. Let's take a breath and wow.
And more, you might adopt it. Big and most of
This is Mixed Up with Chernobyl.
Hey everybody! Today we are going to take a look at Lambie Loves Thunderstorms by LambCam. So, welcome to the Element Showcase Air Element Edition. So, there are 10 videos what we saw. So, remember this question. If you upload these videos on Tune Up This Weekend Reaction Time series, they're going to chew you up. So, anyways, let's begin.
Hi everybody, Lambie here, and I just wanted to let you know what's going on.
Munch me like weirdos at
Well,
this
I
time.
like the farm, as you know. And
Still like the thunderstorms, don't really get the thunder this time. The roar of thunder, perhaps.
We're here at the farm, and I hear thunder off in the distance. So we're on thunderstorm watch. We're going to try to get one on film. Will it lightning and rain too, Mom? Maybe. Well, we're in this enclosed porch area, so that way I won't get wet, so we're going to keep an eye on it. Wow, Mom, look at those clouds.
Now, Lambie, I'm not standing outside here for
much
very long.
cloudy,
It starts raining
but
hard.
it's even better than the way it is.
To come out for a minute so you could get a clearer
That's
shot.
the tough about that.
All right, well, it's starting to sprinkle, Lambie, so we can't...
Oh, I hear it up there, Mom. I hear it. Oh, Mom, the pond's pretty. Look at the pond. There's water on it.
Well, I know there's water on the pond.
Oh, you know what I mean. It's raindrops. Look, it's pretty. Go get it.
Lambie, we're going inside. It's starting to rain harder.
All right, let's go. Okay, guys, so the roof on this back porch area is made of tin. So
Go rain! Rain, go away! I wanted you to show on your way! I think the rain is so hard, and it's a tough one too.
This is neat. I want to see some lightning, though. Let's go look out the other window. Come on, Mom.
Going on the indoors like this.
Wow. Mom, can we go film the pond?
Well, I'm not going out in the rain. If you want to film it from the front porch, we can, but I'm not getting out in it.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Okay, guys, so we didn't actually go out on the porch. We're in one of the bedrooms, and there's a big door that looks out over the pond.
Go rain this time, but I love the lovely sunny side for the weather. But it's still hard for the thundering this and all that. But it's raining
Look
ago.
at all that water.
Water element should be on
Yeah,
this.
everything's getting a
But
drain.
where's the air element?
Look at the bird bath, Mom. There's water going in it.
Yeah?
Look, Mom, there's deer running way in the back. Did you see them? Look, they're right there in the middle. Sorry about the screen, guys.
It's okay, Lambie. They understand. The deer are just trying to get into the woods because it's raining.
Yeah, they were running. Well, it's raining pretty bad, Mom.
Yeah, it's raining harder, huh?
Yeah, it's hitting that roof up there. And Wow. It's raining.
Well, we like that one or this. But that's a lot of raindrops. Still got the heavy look to this. Still windy. I just got more and more intense and dark outside. Man, that's really loud. Feeling loud, feeling proud. Well, that's a lot of lightning storms about this. That's really harder than I thought. Man, talk about water. Well, that's gonna give you some electricity. And it's really goodness. Oh, I think you're really hot. I need to go windy in the thunder.
Mom, it's so dark out here you can't even see me on the screen.
I know, that's because the electricity went out, Lambie.
Oh my goodness.
Don't be afraid. You said you love thunderstorms.
Well, I do like them, but this one's going on forever, it seems.
I know, it keeps going and keeps going. But we're okay. I'll keep you safe.
Okay, good. Oh. Alright, well, can we go back inside now?
Well, we're on an enclosed porch area. We're pretty safe here.
I know, but I'm still a little nervous.
All right, I'll take you back inside. Do you still love thunderstorms?
Yeah, I do.
Much closer than it thinks to do this.
And the weather in LA
It's
is always
really
sunny.
amazing at that.
Yeah, that's true. All right, you ready to go in and relax?
Yeah, I think I filmed enough. Is this enough for the video, Mom?
Yep, it sure is. We can go in now.
Okay, let's go. Anyway, guys, remember, if you're ever in a storm, stay away from the windows and go inside, because lightning is scary.
Well, see you next time for more videos.
Well, that's all, folks. Good night. Thanks for watching.
Get lost. Well, thank you, Last Airbender. See you soon. Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you real soon.